In this video, I am introducing a 10-inch budget-friendly subwoofer that has a maximum music power of 1500 watts. It's a bass reflex subwoofer that's made in India, manufactured and marketed by Viraj Powertronics, New Delhi, and the brand name is Toyotone Audio. So here with this subwoofer, there are two tweeters also. They started launching new products like woofers, mid-range tweeters, crossovers, everything else. And here, this is a latest model subwoofer from Toyotone. So let me unbox it as fast as I can. So here is the subwoofer. I think I unboxed it faster. Something special. You can see that texture, how beautiful features they have added to the woofer cone. Here is a step, and after the surround, and here there is another silver step, and here the touch cap is something different with the logo of Toyotone. And here you can see the spider, and the coil size is 1.5 inches, the diameter of the coil. You can see the magnet, and everything is fine as per the price, as per the budget. Model number TT1060. So let's check it, fixing it into this subwoofer box. This is a 10-inch, an ordinary subwoofer box that we used to test subwoofers. For 12-inch, we have another subwoofer box below. How it looks like in a box. Here there is a car amp. It's a Sony Explode 500 watts amp, so we will check with that.
So the woofer is ready to play, and as I'm a follower of Technodad, I also used to check my subwoofers using Chemical Brothers, under the influence from Chemical Brothers. It's a bass drop. Listen to it. Try with an earphone. Okay, and that was a bass drop. And next we will test more music. I have set the volume to the lowest level. Clipping. That was the performance.
The woofer cost around 2000. Around 2000. I cannot say the fixed price. Around 2000. That's the best performance. What's your opinion? They have made it possible inside that budget. And the subwoofer box, this is a default box that is not tuned, and it's just for testing subwoofer. I use this box for testing subwoofers only, and the port itself is, I think, around 60 or 50 hertz. I've been experiencing 50 to 60 hertz because that bass drop from that Chemical Brothers is going down to 30. I think you can check it out on your earphone or your system, Chemical Brothers. So comment below what's your opinion. And there are two more to be unboxed. Here is a tweeter of 100 watts maximum and 60 watt at nominal power at 4 ohms. And here there is another tweeter. It's a 4-inch tweeter. When we see it, we think it's a mid-range speaker, but it's a 4-inch tweeter at 100 watts, 4 ohms. And this is a 3-inch tweeter, 100 watts, 4 ohms. The difference is just in the size. That traditional type beautiful cone. Smooth. Next, the small one, 3-inch tweeter. both have the same performance. So that's it, that's all from the Toyotone subwoofer, 10-inch subwoofer at a reasonable price, and a tweeter that is 4-inch 100 watts 8 ohms, the 3-inch tweeter at the same configuration. And if you're searching for a budget friendly subwoofer and speaker system, then this must be the best choice. And I have already used their products and am totally satisfied with Toyotone, mainly because that performance at that standard price. And to check more of their products, I will give a WhatsApp number in the description. You can just chat with them if you want to buy these directly. They are available at RSK Electronics, Calicut. And if you are not able to reach here, then you can message them your address and pay them, then they will courier you. In this video, I am just introducing a product that is budget friendly, and if you're interested in buying JBL or any other type of subwoofers, then check this video. See you. Thanks for watching.